Eunice, Yuyu, Yushen. Tandang-tanda ko pa kung paano unang nag-cruise ang ating mga tadhana. Late ka sa klase ko. Opo, teacher niya po ako dati. Pero ayos lang, sabi nga nila, it is better to be late than never. Dahil kung napaaga ang pagdating mo sa buhay ko, mas bata, mas immature ng konti. Baka hindi tayo ang nakatayo sa harap ng isa't isa sa tagpong ito. Hindi ko alam, sa araw na iyon, matatagpuan ko ang babaeng magmamahal sa akin ng walang katapusan. Magiging kakampi ko sa lahat ng bagay, kaaway sa kaunti, kasama sa hirap at ginhawa, at magiging kasama sa pagbuo ng mga pangarap. There was a time that I was once proud and golden. You were there beside me. When I hit rock bottom, you're still beside me. Until I can slowly get back to my feet or to what I was once before, you are not beside me anymore. But rather, you were in front of me, helping me picking up the pieces and protecting me for what's to come until I am completely back on my feet. For that, I am forever grateful. Pasensya ka na ako nag-antay ka ng 15 taon. Masyado kong na-enjoy ang buhay single natin na magkasama. Buti na lang, nandyan si Sibela. Para i-bash ako at ikumpara sa water dispenser. Kidding aside, hindi ako naniniwala sa sinasabi nila na dapat na araw-araw mong piliin ang taong mahal mo. Dahil noon pa man, ikaw na ang pinili ko. Dahil handa akong mahalin ka sa panahong pinakamasaya ka, handa akong mahalin ka sa panahon ng iyong kalungkutan. Handa akong mahalin ka sa panahon na puno ka ng galit sa mundo. Handa akong mahalin ka sa mga panahon na hindi na ako ang iyong mahal. At handa akong mahalin ka sa panahon na hindi mo na mahal maski ang iyong sarili. Today, as God as my witness and everyone gathered here today, I promise you that my love for you will continue to grow even if it reaches the heavens. I promise to continue to make your friends jealous of our amazing relationship. And I promise to be your guiding light in the darkness, a warming embrace in the cold, and a shoulder to lean on whenever life's burdens weigh too heavily on your heart. Eunice, I love you always and forever.
My dearest Francis, Mahal, we patiently waited for this day, and the day it's finally happening. Our journey began 14 and a half years ago, not 50. Okay? And, and now, in front of our loved ones, we are finally seeing our life together. I can still vividly remember the day that we first met. It was July 24, 2009. All of my classmates were saying na pakla ka. Kasi nga naman, ang puti mo naman daw, man. But little did I know, this so-called cake is mine enough to support and provide for me. Pangarap mo din ang mga pangarap ko. Thank you for always believing and cheering for me. You have no idea how many times you've seen me. With all the highs and lows, of my life, you are the constant guide. Yushen, I am grateful for the Lord for giving me you, a man who respects and loves me unconditionally. A man who is true to his words, a selfless man who gives me comfort and peace. Man, you are my home. You light up my world with your love and presence. Yushen, I know promises aren't our routine, but today is different. Today will be all about love, about us. So here it is. I vow to listen with you with an open heart and to speak with you with honesty and kindness. I promise to make our house be our home. I promise to laugh with you, cry with you, and grow with you. Maria. Again, I promise to celebrate life with you, even in our smallest wins. Sa bawat ikaw, makakaasa kang merong ako sa tabi mo na nakasuporta at naniniwala sa'yo. I promise to put you first up before anything else. With all the uncertainties of this world, I promise that my love for you will always be certain. I believe that we make the best duo, ready to face kahit anong clash pa yan. Always remember, sa'yo lang papatong si Angela kahit 5 months pa yan. I love you always.